Hello! Today I'm going to show you a very nice and special property in the area of Marsciano, which is south of Perugia. It's an apartment and it's part of a very small community, a condominio as they call it here. And it is the apartment here on the ground floor. There are 5 owners in total in the building, and this is one of them. As you can see, there is a lovely pool here, which is in common, of course, which is very handy. So you don't have to worry about cleaning the pool and maintaining it and everything. See? It's a very nice old restored building. Okay, there is the parking area for all the owners, and over here we have the old village, the medieval village, a very small village. There's nothing special there, mainly a nice restaurant where you can eat, a little shop and cafe, and that's about it. But most of the other shops and supermarkets are within about 5 or even less, 3 to 5 kilometers near Marsciano. And we're also not far away from Perugia, which is about, let me see, 20-30 minutes drive. Okay, so here we go. You can see the garden is very well maintained by the community. So those are shared costs. And here we enter the private part of this apartment. You can hear some rumbling. There is a thunderstorm coming up, I think, after a hot summer day. So let's go in quickly. This is the terrace, which belongs to this apartment, so it's private. It's very nice with an umbrella, parasol, and again the beautiful views onto the rolling hills of this area south of Perugia, between Todi, Perugia, and the triangle with Lago Trasimeno. It's one of the areas I personally prefer, with the hills and everything. It's very nice and quiet. Okay, well, we enter the apartment. Here we are. As you can see, there is a nice sitting room, annex kitchen with a kitchenette. All the appliances are there. A lot of furniture will stay. They will move out, but they will surely leave some stuff. So that could be handy for you. As you can see, the old walls of the medieval building have been preserved as much as possible during the restoration, and the old beams have been replaced where necessary. And it's a very successful restoration, I must say, very done with a good taste. This is the kitchen looking, if you look from the other side. Okay, well, here on this side we have a bedroom. As you can see, nice airy bedroom. The floors are all terracotta, and the beams and terracotta tiles at the top. Okay, so there is a cupboard here, a wardrobe, and a nice bathroom with a shower. It's all very well maintained, good shape, and yeah. This area is not the shower. Not the shower area, but it's an area where you could put maybe some storage. This is the shower itself. Okay. All right. Well, here we go. From the first bedroom back into the living room. There is an oven, a fridge, gas cooker, and here we enter the second bedroom. which is very nice as well. It's larger than the first one. And it has an exit to the other side of the building. I'll just show you. And here there is an ensuite bathroom, I always mix up, with a washing machine. Okay? All right. So, here we go. Now let me show you the exit onto the back of the building. There's not very much here. The nice views are on the other side. But you can see the back of the building from here and how the other apartments are made and restored. It's a very nice building. There are mainly, almost all the people are using these apartments as a holiday home. You are allowed to live here if you want, but it's not compulsory. And you can use it as a holiday home, a vacation home. Hello! Okay, well, if you want more information about this property, about the price and the size and some maintenance costs and common costs, community costs, etc., go and have a look at the website at www.lecasedidori.com. Bye-bye.